Has ByteDance newly released Seedance 1.0 really outshined Google's Veo 3? Well, let's find out. Hello and welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. Today we are diving into a fiery comparison Seedance 1.0 versus Google Veo 3, two of the most hyped AI video generators of 2025. Before we jump into the debate, here's a quick intro. Both are advanced AI-powered video generators. Google Veo 3 was released on 20th May 2025 by Google DeepMind. It's a general-purpose video generator that can take text, image, or video input. Meanwhile, Seedance 1.0 dropped recently on 11th June 2025 by ByteDance and focuses on dynamic motion video generation, supporting text-to-video and image-to-video formats. So let's compare them feature by feature. First, resolution. Seedance 1.0 caps at 1080p. Meanwhile, Google Veo 3 supports up to 4K. So here, Google Veo 3 clearly takes the lead in video quality. Second, audio support. Seedance 1.0 has no built-in audio support. You'll need external tools for music or voiceover. Google Veo 3 on the other hand comes with full audio features including background music and voiceovers, another win for Veo 3. Third is camera control. Seedance 1.0 supports zoom, pan, tracking, and fixed camera angles. Meanwhile, Google Veo 3 goes more cinematic with aerial shots, time-lapse, and more. Both offer solid features, but Google leans towards cinematic creativity. Fourth, video length and processing speed. Seedance 1.0 produces 5 to 10 second clips with a faster processing time, approximately of about 41 seconds. Meanwhile, Google Veo 3 offers longer videos of about 60 plus seconds but takes around 2 to 3 minutes to render. Short and fast, go Seedance. For long and rich, go Veo. Fifth is pricing. Seedance 1.0 uses a credit system with a free plan, making it budget-friendly. Meanwhile, Google Veo 3 comes with a premium subscription and it's not cheap. Seedance wins for affordability. Sixth is watermark. Seedance 1.0 gives you a choice, watermark or not. Meanwhile, Google Veo 3 forces a default watermark on all videos, another plus point for Seedance. And last but not the least, user rating. Seedance 1.0 currently holds a 4.6 out of 5 rating. Meanwhile, Google Veo 3 stands at 4.4 out of 5. Too early to draw conclusions, but Seedance is getting great initial feedback. So is Seedance 1.0 better than Google Veo 3? Well, it's a neck-and-neck competition, but in terms of features, quality and cinematic scope, Google Veo 3 slightly edges ahead. And that being said, both tools have their strengths. If you need quick, stylish clips with flexibility, try Seedance 1.0. If you want cinematic storytelling with sound, Google Veo 3 is your go-to. And that's all for today. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech content. Drop a comment below which one would you pick, Seedance or Veo 3. We would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.